Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are reading Albert's Alphabet. Now this story is about a duck and we're going to learn how he figures out how to build the entire alphabet. He has a note. It says memo to Albert, school carpenter. Good morning, Albert. Please build an alphabet for the walking path on the school playground. We must have it by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you have time, will you try and fix that leaky old drinky fountain, please? Thank you. Principal, Pleasant Valley School. And there's the walking path. Does Albert have enough time? Does Albert have enough materials? Here these pictures show Albert getting to work building his first letter. Does anybody know what letter that is? It's the letter A. Now he finishes that, and what letter does he build next? The letter B. Very good. Here he's piecing together his next letter. Do you know what letter that is? The letter C. Here he is working. And working some more for his next letter, D. Do you know what letter that is? The letter E. Here he's building his next letter. He's working. F. What letter is that? G. H. Here he's building the letter I. What letter is that? J. There he is. He's looking at the clock. Uh-oh. He's almost running out of time. Building his next letter. K. L. M. N. Oh! Albert used all of his lumber. And he used his box. What will he use now? There goes Albert, setting off to work. O. P. He's getting creative. Q. What's it made out of? Rocks and stone. Then we have, what's the letter is he working on here? R. What letter is this? S. He's using different materials now. What letter is this that he's working on? T. What do you think he's working on next? U. V. W. X. Using the bush here. Y. Here's Albert looking around for materials for his last letter. What should he use? And there's his walking path. see.